Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm joined today by Nicole Denil. She is Vice President of Global Market Access for Rockwell Automation. Nicole, welcome to the studio.
Thanks, Dan. I'm really excited to be here.
So, Nicole, we've got a great topic today. We're here to discuss how partnerships can drive digital transformation. Our partner network is one of our defining qualities, differentiating qualities. I'm so excited to get to this topic. So, first question for you. From your perspective, how can a partner ecosystem help enable a successful transformation?
Well, I think you said it. It's one of our key differentiators. And, all the way from the very beginning, where our first partnership was really with electrical distributors. And now it's really grown to be a full-fledged ecosystem of partners, including SIs, distributors, which are now helping us make the market. We've got technology partners where we partner on specific things that help us take our products to market. And we have a whole host of other partners that are up and coming, like ISVs. We've got EPCs, general contractors that we're working with, global SIs, as well as local SIs that range from OTSIs to ITSIs and everything in between. So it's really grown as an ecosystem. And it's so important for us because we can't do it alone, right? We depend on these partners to go to market with us to provide the best customer experience.
No, absolutely. I mean, the growth of the partner network ecosystem is staggering, and you touched on this in your answer around information solution partners. Let's talk a little bit more about that. From your perspective, why does the development of software disciplined ecosystem matter so much when it comes to digital transformation in manufacturing?
That's a great question. I think, for decades, we've been talking about how do we connect the shop floor to the top floor for literally decades, right? And although that was a dream so many years ago, it wasn't really realistic because there were challenges around things like security, challenges around things like how do you take all of the data that's coming from your plant floor and be able to process it in a way that is efficient, effective, cost effective, right? To take all that data, put it somewhere to analyze it previously was not even possible. But with new technologies, things like cloud and data analytics, where we can take massive amounts of data and analyze them in a much more effective, efficient, and secure way. That's the key part of it, is secure. Because obviously opening plant floors to the internet in the past created all kinds of security risks. And now I think we've gotten better at tackling that with our partnerships around cybersecurity, and also with partnerships with cloud service providers like Microsoft, for example, where we're able to take massive amounts of data and create a data lake in order to analyze that. All of those things in combination with things like generative AI, more intelligence at the edge, make it possible for us to really create this notion of connected enterprise with our partners. Because notice that I mentioned several partners there. That's what makes it possible for us to really create that connectivity. So software partners definitely have a play there.
Now, those are some great examples. I mean, we think about the partnerships with Microsoft. You mentioned security as a key issue. So certainly a partner like Cisco comes to mind.
Absolutely.
Dragos, Clarity. I mean, the list goes on and
Yeah,
on. And when you think
really
about
does.
how they all come together, the value is just remarkable. Let's talk about cultural alignment. From your perspective, how important is cultural alignment between partners important when driving a digital transformation? What are your thoughts on that?
I think it's really important when it comes to how we present to our customers, right? Our customers are looking for a certain experience from us, and they're looking to us for this certain brand that has been, the tried and true ethical company brand for so many years. And so as we go to market with our partners, we want to make sure that we share those values. And I think for the most part, and I've been visiting partners for many, many, many years with Rockwell, and the sense of sort of pride around our brand and having that association and the way that they go to market with our similar values definitely helps us maintain that that, that brand recognition around being a trusted and ethical company.
Fantastic. Last question for you. Help our audience understand, what value does Rockwell Automation and our partner ecosystem deliver for customers?
Yeah, that's a great question. I mentioned earlier we can't do it on our own, and that's literally true, right? We look to our partners to help us with a lot of different things, whether it's technology savvy, whether it's new reach and new markets. We've got partners who are helping us go to the corners of the earth that we can't possibly go on our own. New reach in certain industries. A lot of our partners have very deep expertise in industries that they're able to break us into those markets as well together. So really, that sort of new reach, new customers, expertise, and then for your question earlier, as we move up sort of the top floor or shop floor to the top floor, there are so many capabilities that our partners bring to the table.
Nicole, this has been great. Hearing you kind of share your perspective on how companies can come together in a partner network ecosystem really helps connect the dots on how we're better together. So thank you for that. And thank you for joining us in the studio today.
Thank you, Stan. It's been a pleasure.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about partner network ecosystems and how they can drive digital transformation, visit rockwellautomation.com.